my YouTube channel. This video explains how to verify your Google AdSense without your address verification PIN. Probably you've requested for your PIN more than 3 to 4 times, and then perhaps you stay in a remote area where the main system is not working. There is a way in which you'll be able to verify your Google AdSense after 3 to 4 requests. So in this video, I'll be revealing to you some of the basics way in which you will be able to verify your Google AdSense. Remember to subscribe and don't forget to like and share if this video is helpful. The first thing you need to do, once you log on to your Google AdSense account, you click on Accounts, you click on Settings, and you click on Account Information to copy your publisher ID. So this is my publisher ID. I will now highlight it. Permit me to cover it for security reasons. Then I will now copy it. Once I copy it now, I will come to my home page. Then I'll click on Payment. Then I'll click on Verification Check. Once I click on my verification check, as you can see, identity verification has been completed, but the address verification, they say needs attention. So I've requested for this for like 4 times. So what I need to do right now is to click on Learn More. Now once I click on Learn More, I will scroll down. Then I will click on PIN Troubleshooter. Now you'll be required to answer some basic questions. So the first one is, if this is your main address, you click on Yes, and you now proceed. You click on Continue. They say, have you received your physical verification PIN? No, that is why we are here. So you click on No. Then you now click on Continue. Then you will see an option, a contact form option. So you now click on it. Now the first thing required here is your name. The second one is your email address, which is already there. Then the last one is your address, your AdSense publisher ID. So the name, I'll be inputting the name right now. Then this is my mail address. Then your publisher ID, you've already copied it, so you paste it. You now scroll down. At this point, you'll be required to upload your document. So you now click on Choose File. Remember to make use of the file you use to verify your identity. So you click on Choose Files. So permit me to cover my files. So I will now choose this file. Then I'll click on Open. So after choosing all your files, you now scroll down and you now click on Submit. This method takes not less than 10 minutes for your AdSense to be verified. So let's click on Submit. While we're waiting for the result, please remember to subscribe if this is your first time of visiting my channel. I share tutorials on how to create YouTube channel, how to enhance YouTube growth, and how to verify Google AdSense and AdSense related problem. So we've submitted already, and as you can see, let's check our email and see. So there is a mail for contacting Google AdSense. This is the menu right now. So it will now take time for them to verify it. So let's check our verification check and see. Let's now refresh this page. So as you can see guys, my AdSense account has been verified successfully. The next process now is for you to enter your payment ID. So let's check our mail. It has been verified already. So remember to subscribe and don't forget to like and share if this video is